the hot wire going to the fan, right? So then you think, well, now the 3-in-1 here, we'll make this one hot, and we're gonna put it on right there, okay? And just twist it. So 1/2 of it is completed. Now, you got neutral. You know, it's got lines. This one's got lines. So these are going to go together, but not just these, because it has to have this one too, because this is going to go to your compressor. So put that on there and give it one twist. Make sure it stays on, man. Okay, this is wired correctly now. So when you plug it in, yeah, what it is these have to be separated. Smooth with smooth go to a black. Lines with lines go to another black. And this you had correctly. Okay? See? This one's got the lines, this one's got the lines, and it goes with the black. This one's smooth and this one's smooth from the fan, and it goes with the black. So you are correct on that. So now we just plug it in, and this thermostat.
Yeah, I changed it.
Okay.
As you can tell, the old one.
Okay. So it's completely off, which is good. So I would plug it in, and let's see where she goes.